Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all methods that allow you to take screenshots on OPPO A60. So the first and default method that allows you to take screenshots is by pressing two buttons at the same time. That is the volume down button and the power button. If you simply press these two buttons together at the same time, then you will take the screenshot. Then we can also go to the settings. So let's open the settings. Over here we want to go to additional settings, and here go to screenshot. Here we will find some gestures that can also allow us to take screenshots, including the three finger swipe down. So all you need to do is use your three fingers, swipe from the top to the bottom like so. So let's take a look. There we go. And as you can see, we have taken the screenshot as well. If you want to take a partial screenshot, then you can activate the three finger touch and hold gesture. So once again, use three fingers, press and hold on your screen, and now we can take the partial screenshot. So we can select the area. We can of course readjust it if needed. And then once we are done, in the top right corner, we can press this check in order to save the screenshot. We can also use the same method, so the same gesture, but this time press and hold. One more time, press and hold. And then we can move our fingers down once we have the preview in order to immediately select the area that we want to capture. Over here we also have power and volume down buttons. So this is the first method that I have shown you, and these are all gestures and shortcuts that we can use to capture screenshots. However, there is also one more, and that is by accessing the quick access. So swipe from the top to the bottom twice, and somewhere over here you should be able to find the screenshot button. I have mine over here in this section. You might need to scroll to the right to the next page in order to try to find it. If you are missing this button, if this button is missing, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then choose edit styles. And then let's assume that the button is missing. Over here in more functions, you should be able to find the screenshot button. Remember that you can swipe as well, and all you need to do to add this option is simply tap on the circle on the button, and then you can go back and you should be able to have it in the quick access. You can also perform the scrolling screenshot or the long screenshot. So let's say I'm gonna open Google app in order to find some articles. As you can see, if I want to capture the whole page, then all I need to do is once again use one of the methods to capture a screenshot. So I'm gonna choose this button this time, and now over here I can press scroll, and then I can keep scrolling in order to capture as much as I want to. So I can swipe all the way down in order to try to capture pretty much everything. However, I think the scroll on the Google app is endless, but let's say this is everything that I want to capture up to this point. So now I can press done. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds in order to let the device save the screenshot, and we can open it. And as you can see, it is a pretty long screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.